Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're evaluating the Airzeen Q10 Pro, a robot vacuum and mop that aims to bring advanced features like LiDAR navigation and self-emptying to a more accessible price point. We'll dive into its real-world performance and overall value. Check the link in the description for the best price. Understanding how the Q10 Pro performs its core cleaning tasks reveals its true capabilities. LiDAR navigation helps the Q10 Pro clean in a methodical, organized pattern, covering spaces efficiently rather than wandering randomly. This leads to more thorough room coverage. The vacuuming performance is quite robust, with its high suction power proving effective at picking up daily dirt, dust, and common pet hair from various floor types. The self-emptying dock significantly boosts convenience, allowing the robot to offload debris automatically. This means less frequent interaction and more truly hands-off. The mopping function is best for light surface wiping and maintaining clean hard floors. It is not designed for tackling dried-on spills or deep, heavy scrubbing. The Q10 Pro handles daily vacuuming and automated mapping effectively, making it a good choice for general upkeep. However, its mopping function is more for light maintenance. Evaluating the value proposition helps determine if this robot vacuum is a smart purchase. The inclusion of advanced features like LiDAR navigation, comprehensive app control, and a self-emptying station offers substantial value at this price point. It's hard to find these combined often. The ability to schedule cleanings and enjoy automatic dust disposal adds significant convenience, freeing up your time from daily floor care. These automation features enhance daily life. While it offers both vacuuming and mopping, the core value in terms of cleaning performance primarily lies in its effective vacuuming capabilities. The mopping is a secondary benefit. When compared to other LiDAR-equipped, self-emptying robot vacuums, the Q10 Pro offers a competitive price point, making it an appealing option for budget-conscious buyers. The Q10 Pro provides strong feature and convenience value for its price point, making it competitive against more established brands. Vacuuming offers more value than mopping. Considering potential risks is crucial for making. The lack of extensive independent reviews means it's harder to fully validate user experiences beyond Amazon's own platform, which can impact overall buyer confidence. Long-term support for parts, firmware updates, and customer service is less established compared to major robot vacuum brands. This presents a potential risk over time. While self-emptying, the dust bags and internal passages of the dock still require periodic checks and replacement for optimal performance and hygiene. It is not entirely maintenance-free. Even with LiDAR mapping, this robot might struggle with smaller, low-lying obstacles like stray cords or pet accidents. Advanced object recognition is typically a premium feature. The primary concerns revolve around the limited independent review data and the long-term support from a lesser-known brand. Regular maintenance of the dock and awareness of obstacle avoidance are also important. The Airzeen Q10 Pro presents a compelling package for buyers looking for a budget-friendly robot vacuum with advanced LiDAR mapping and self-emptying capabilities. While its strong feature set for the price is noteworthy, the limited independent evidence and brand support are important considerations. This makes it a conditional buy, best for those who prioritize initial features and are comfortable with potentially less established long-term support. Ensure you purchase with strong return protection.